Namaste and welcome. I'm Jess, and today I'll be guiding you through a gentle practice. So the aim of this practice is to help you find ease, leaving you with a sense of balance after this practice. So let's find a comfortable seated position. You can bring a cushion under your sit bones to help you lengthen through the spine. And we'll begin this practice with a pranayama technique known as Nadi Shodhana, or alternate nostril breathing. So let's find your comfortable seat, allowing your gaze to soften or close. And just start to tap into your breath. So try to let go of any control you have over your breath and your mind. So we'll just talk you through this first few rounds, and then you're welcome to pause the video and continue at your own pace before we move on to the other asanas or postures. So just take the second to go inwards, whatever that means to you. And as you're ready, you can softly open the eyes as I guide you through our pranayama for this practice. So arriving back here in this present moment. So we'll take the right hand. You can either tuck in your pinky and your middle finger, or I'd like to also tuck in my ring finger. It's all down to personal preference. And we'll start this pranayama practice by sealing the right nostril with the right thumb. So you don't have to do it just yet. I will just show you through this first round. And we'll take a nice long inhale through the left nostril. Hold, retain that breath at the top, sealing the left nostril with either the pinky or the ring finger. And then exhaling through the right nostril. Empty it all out with the exhale. Inhale through the right nostril. So hold that breath at the top, sealing the right nostril once again with the right thumb, and exhale through the left nostril. So that completes one full round. So I'll go through that again with you this time. Try to follow along, and then I will allow you to do 3 rounds or more on your own. So we'll begin by taking the right hand, either tucking in the index finger and middle finger, or maybe the ring finger as well. Sealing the right nostril with the right thumb. Nice long inhale through the left nostril. Pause at the top. Switch, seal the left nostril with either the pinky or the ring finger. And exhale, empty it out through the right nostril. Inhale right. Hold at the top, switch. Seal the right nostril. And exhale, left nostril. Great. So now you should have the hang of it. So we'll inhale for a count of 4 each time, and exhale for a count of 4. As I begin to count, you'll get the gist of it. So let's begin. Seal the right nostril. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause and switch. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause, empty it out. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause and switch. exhale through the left. 2, 3, 4. So let's continue that at your own pace. We'll do 2 more rounds and then release the hand and allow your breath to come back to a neutral pace. So as you're ready, let's seal the right nostril, and in your own pace, start with your alternate nostril breathing. 2 full rounds, all on your own. And as you start to move through this pranayama by yourself, you may start to notice some stagnation or some blockages in one side. So try not to change it, but just observe. So just start to even out that second round, finishing up, and as you do so, release that hand, resting the hands on your knees. Allow your gaze to soften or close, and just pause and observe here. Notice how that pranayama has affected your body and maybe even the mind. So now I'll give you the option to pause the video and continue with that pranayama. If you're ready to move on, gently bat the eyelashes open, coming back to the space around you. Welcome back. So let's take the right foot in. We'll bring the left foot behind. So you're creating 2 right angles here with the legs. So you'll start to feel the stretch in the left hip crease. And you might just stay here. Nice long inhales and exhales. Or maybe as you inhale, reaching the fingertips all the way up towards the sky. As you exhale, bringing the right hand towards the outside of the left thigh and taking the left fingertips behind you for a gentle twist. So try not to collapse all your weight to your palm here. Find some ease. Allow your breath to help you through it. So nice long inhale to lengthen through the spine. As you exhale, see if you can let something go. Releasing something in the hips. Nice big inhale and exhale to come back to center. Taking it over to the other side, so take your time. We'll bring the left foot in and the right foot just behind us. Again, 2 right angles with the legs. Notice how this side feels. And again, you might just stay here, or maybe as you inhale, sweeping the fingertips up towards the sky. As you exhale, taking the left hand to the outside of the right thigh. The right fingertip swims around for a gentle twist. So inhale to lengthen through the spine. As you exhale, releasing some stagnation or any tension in the right hip. Keep breathing. Use your breath as a tool here to guide you. Nice long inhale and exhale to make your way back to center. Well done. So take the hands in front of you, spread them out wide as you make your way into a tabletop position. So let's bring the hands directly under the shoulders, your knees directly under the hips, pressing in towards the tops of the feet. So really making sure you're creating this strong foundation here. As you inhale, let's drop the belly, take the gaze up towards the sky, finding this opening in the heart space. And exhale to round through, tucking your chin in towards the chest. Inhale, dropping the belly. Gaze up, stretching the tops of your stomach, and exhale to round through, chin to chest, stretching the back body. So a few more rounds all on your own. So this is your yoga practice, and just embrace that. Move at a rhythm that feels good for you today. Let's do 2 more rounds here. Inhale to come back to center. So we'll bring the right knee in towards the center. Take the left knee behind the right. We'll open up the feet and let's walk the hands in towards the body. And as you do that, let's come to sit on the ground, and you might need to take your cushion under the sit bones here. Try to guide your knees together, but if they don't quite make it together, no worries. And this may be enough for you here in our cow legs or Gomukhasana legs. If you wish to take it a little bit further and your body allows, you can take the palms and just walk them away from your body towards the top of the mat. Take a nice long inhale and exhale, maybe allowing the weight of the head to release. Notice how that feels in the right hip. And see if you can release some tension from the shoulders here. Nice long inhales and exhales. And as you exhale, let's walk the hands back in towards the body. So 2 options to take it over to the other side. So you can either spread the hands, take the hands out in front of you, and start to spin all the way around, making your way over to the other side. Or you can come through all fours. Whatever variation you are more comfortable with, please take that variation. So I want to encourage you to have some fun with your yoga practice. It's not so serious. If you're choosing to come through your tabletop position, we'll take the left knee to the center and then take the right knee just behind the left, open up the legs, and just guide yourself to the other side. So find a variation that works. You can try both. You may choose to stay here, or maybe walking the palms towards the top of the mat, releasing the weight of the head. So feeling that stretch, that release in the left hip now, and the left glutes. Deep inhales and exhales. Try and relax through your shoulders. And as you exhale, slowly, mindfully walking the hands back up. And we'll release the legs, taking the legs out long. Let's center ourselves on the mat. placing the soles of your feet on the mat and slowly lowering onto the back. As you arrive here, let's walk the heels towards the sit bones, really rooting down through the feet. Plant the palms. As you inhale, let's engage through the core, lifting the sit bones up towards the sky. So pretend like you're squeezing an imaginary block in between the knees here, not allowing the knees to come in towards one another. Nice long inhale to open up the hips even more. So let's take the chest up towards the chin and your chin up towards the sky. And you can either stay here or maybe walking the palms in towards one another, interlacing the hands. Keep walking those shoulder blades towards each other. Keep that vision of that imaginary block between the knees. Let's take one more inhale. And as you exhale, release the bind if you're in this variation. As you exhale, release the sit bones, the hips down. Let's hug the knees in towards the chest. Give yourself a big hug. Thank yourself and thank your body for this practice. Maybe rocking from side to side, just massaging through the lower back. And whenever you're ready, releasing the feet down. We'll straighten one leg and the other. Let's open up the feet like a book, opening the palms up towards the sky. Taking a nice long inhale. As you exhale, just allowing the weight of the body to release down onto the mat. So feel the support of the ground beneath you, allowing the nutrients of your practice to sink in. Let's take 5 nice long inhales and exhales here. So you're welcome to stay here for as long as it serves you. If you're ready to bring this practice to a close, gently wiggle the fingers and the toes, bringing some movement back in towards your physical body. And just start to move the head slowly from side to side. As you're ready, let's bring the palms together, taking the thumbs to the area in between the brows, this area of intuition. Let's take a nice long inhale and exhale to seal this practice. Thank you so much for sharing your time, your energy and your practice with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day and I hope to see you soon. Namaste.